Hello everyone, Shahyan here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to update the firmware on our iLink Masters ICE2 and ICE3. So the first thing first we need to do is get on the web interface for our iLink Master, and once you're on the home page, we're going to go to the Advanced tab. So clicking on that, once we're on the Advanced tab, we can see by default the software tab's open, and here's all the magic is going to happen for the update. So before doing an update or going further, we require the firmware files. And to get firmware files, it's really easy. What we are going to do is go to our website, and under the product page, we go to the software tab and we click on this link that says Ethernet EDS and firmware files for ICE2. The same process is for ICE3 masters too. Once the file has been downloaded, it needs to be extracted, and then we are ready for our next step. So coming back to the web interface, we need to install three files. That's a bootloader. We need to install a system primary and an application base. These are the at least three files we need to do, and that's mostly the case. So the order to upload these files is first we're going to upload the bootloader, then we're going to go for the system primary, and last we're going to do the application base. So to update the bootloader, I'm going to click on update right next to the bootloader, then click on choose file. And I'm going to select U-boot. And then after that, we can see there's a version number 1.44. So open that, click on install. And it's going to ask, do we want to continue? Yes, we're going to continue. And an update was successful. We're going to click OK. So the next thing we're going to do is system primary. So it's the same process. Click on update that's next to system primary. Choose the file and choose system-1.61. This firmware, this version numbers can be different depending on the time of your following this tutorial. And then click on install. It's again going to ask if we want to continue, and we're going to click on continue. And then we are going to click on OK because it was successful. Now the last and not the least, we're going to change the application base. So again, clicking on update, then choosing the file. Now we're going to choose this application base. Now for ICE2, it says EIP. In case of if you're utilizing ICE3, it's going to say PN for Profinet. That's something you need to make sure not to mix it up. Now we're going to click open, install again, and it's going to ask, do we want to continue? We're going to say yes. And now it's going to give a prompt of waiting for 5 seconds and then clicking on OK. If we notice our iLink master is going through a reboot cycle, we'll see some red lights. And then once the red lights are going green, it means it's rebooted successfully. And that also accounted for 5 seconds. So I'm going to click on OK. Now, last not least, we're going to click on reboot. That's a good practice. And once the device is rebooted, we are good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.